Smokey, do you have to go to poop? No, there's a snake there. They like, they like birds like fruit. Ew, let's close that up. Gross. Ah. My little kangaroo, do you have to go poop? No, I already did. There's a big. Ew, that's the poop. Let's close that down. This is a tiny mouse. Aww. What's looking in here? There's the poop. Gee, that looks like a rock. My little penguin, do you have to go poop? Nope, I already did. Ew, that's a whale. Ew, the whale's poop.
I think that's penguin poop. I don't think whales get out of the water to go poop. That'd be crazy, man. Crazy. Let me fix that.
Crazy, man, crazy. My mommy is swimming at the pool. My little big brothers. There's a poop. Ew, let's close that up. Gross.
Ew.
My little sister. Hey, Mommy, I went poop. I'm so proud of you.
Good job.
Let me see. Let me see. Thank you. Whoa. You see? You did. My little rubby ducky. Open. Now let's open this. Excuse me. Shut the door. Excuse me.
I'm making a poop. Please shut the door. Ew, she stinks. She needs to turn on the fart fan.
Ew, she thinks she doesn't have a fart fan.
Is that your poop book?
Yep, it is.
Alright.
Now.
The end. It's time to go knock-knock. Let's go kiss Daddy. No, we've read it twice now. Let's go tell Daddy knock-knock.
But I want to watch it.